MTD Network this week. Well, you know what I'm going to say first of all. Red, if you've got any parts that need manufacturing, we'll request that quote, pop your details in there. If you want to get access to those quotes, join MTD Network, nice and easy, pop your details in there. We can get you listed on the site, get you inquiries and also promote your company. Talking of promoting your company, who's been busy this week? Well, once again, our friend Reese at 3D Print and Scan, investment casting, how to make molds for casting. So have a look at that, really interesting article. We also got Desman Engineering, AS 9100, they've got big machines, big parts, so have a look at those articles. Great machine shop, great to have Mark and Ian on board. They've also used MTD Network really effectively already. They've already found a foundry and some to do some 3D printing for them. What else is going on? Well, Andrea at Honal, she's been busy again, perfect gun drilling or deep hole boring to you and me. So have a look at that article. We also had Stuart from Empire showcasing his machine shop on Swarf and Chips, but more importantly, some of his components. So have a look at that. It's a great show, great parts. Now, what's trending this week? Well, you obviously like your supercars. Dukewell involved with the Barus supercar. Titan manufacturing some F1 parts and some supercar parts. So a nice little video we did there with Stuart. Talking of videos, we did a short video at BTEC, which has gone onto LinkedIn. It's had over 3,000 views. Is it 6 ops? 5 ops? Well, have a look at the video and work out for yourselves. Also, talking of short videos, we did a 60-second showcase of Ferrositi down in Cheltenham, and we also did a 60-second showcase of Clarent Precision down in Leighton Buzzard. So if you like what you see there, get in contact with the guys. There's also another video, Beard and Fitch, the old and the new. They've got some great new machines, but they still use the old machines, still holding tolerances. Really great work there. So that's about it for this week. You know what I'm going to say. If you've got any quotes that need doing, hit that red button. And if you want to join MTD Network, hit the blue button. As simple as that. Thanks very much.